Hey friends, I'm Marcello Rostagni. Let's have some fun and roll that intro. So today we're going to check out one of the coolest DIY headphone amplifier kits that you can get from Bottlehead. If you are not familiar with who Bottlehead is, well, you should be. Doc B and his team have been building some of the coolest kits for DIYers to take and create their very own OTL tube amplifier. In this unboxing, we're going to take a look at the Bottlehead Crack with a speedball upgrade. And big shout out and thank you to my father-in-law, Bill, who helped me do the unboxing and the first half of the build. I cannot wait to finish this build, so stay tuned because this is going to probably be a multi-part video series of the Bottlehead Crack with speedball upgrade.